Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to work in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of Nifty 50 in a monthly time frame. So friends, here you can see that how the Nifty started an uptrend since October 2008 after testing the lower end of Ichimoku cloud and continued this uptrend when the Nifty faced stiff resistance once again at the levels of 6263. So this level was a stiff resistance for Nifty because the Nifty had already faced this resistance during the year 2008, and once again this resistance was failed by Nifty in 2010, but this uptrend continued when the Nifty entered amid this uptrend zone once again during the month of January 2015 when this uptrend continued. But here you can see that how the Nifty felt next resistance at the levels of 9157 and tested a low at the levels of 6916 during the month of February 2016. But since then, this uptrend continued up to the levels of 12,441, what the Nifty tested during the month of January 2020 when the first case of COVID-19 got confirmation in China, and since then the Nifty started to move downward and a sharp sell-off was there which continued during the month of February and March when the Nifty finally tested a low at the levels of 7540 on March 23rd. But here you can see that how the Nifty found a strong reversal below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud in a monthly time frame. Here you can see that how this reversal was very strong, and once again during the month of April Nifty found a selling once again below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, but here a strong buying support was seen below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, and this uptrend started after a breakout above the 26 days moving average when the Nifty found a sustained move above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud. The Nifty found a strong reversal from May 2020 when this bullish hammer was formed in Nifty in a monthly time frame, and this bullish hammer got confirmation. So friends, here you can see that how the Nifty continued this uptrend up to February 2021 when the Nifty formed a peak at the levels of 15,428 during the month of February 2021. But here you can see that how the levels of 14,834 seems to be a tough resistance for Nifty. Here you can see that how the Nifty have shown a volatile move during the month of March 2021 when it had tested a high above the levels of 15,364 and a low at the levels of 14,282. So friends, here I find that this zone seems to be evident enough for a decisive move during the upcoming week, where I find the Nifty has to take a decisive move from here. So friends, here I find that if the Nifty is not able to break the immediate resistance at 14,865, we'll see this exhaustion to continue, because currently you can see that the Nifty has been showing lower highs and lower lows, which confirms the continuity of a selling pressure in Nifty due to the growing cases of COVID-19, where the second wave of COVID-19 seems to be pushing downward pressure on Nifty, where I find that economic recovery could delay due to going lockdowns in various states of India, where I find that the Bank Nifty could feel this pressure much more because the defaults may be higher due to going lockdowns. Once again, we'll see the Bank Nifty could remain under heavy bearish pressure during the upcoming week, where I find that the Nifty could end the upcoming week below the immediate support at 14,282, and I find that if the Nifty starts the upcoming week with a gap down opening below the levels of 14,617, we'll see the Nifty could take a sharp downward move below this immediate support at 14,257. We'll see the Nifty to continue a downward move up to the 9 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of 13,110, where I find that the Nifty could take a sharp bouncing move from this level. In case of a downward move, the Nifty could find a strong support at the 9 days moving average, where I find that if the Nifty is not able to even defend the 9 days moving average, we will see the Nifty to test the lower end of this uptrend channel, which is at the levels of 12,634, where I find that if the Nifty is not able to defend the major support at the levels of 12,444 during the upcoming week, we'll see the Nifty to take a steep downward move from here. On the other hand, I find that if the Nifty is not able to sustain above the levels of 15,000, we'll see the Nifty to drift lower, because for moving more upward, the Nifty has to sustain above the levels of 15,000 during the upcoming week. And if the Nifty sustain above the levels of 15,000 during the upcoming week, then immediate resistance for Nifty will be at the levels of 15,158, and the second resistance will be at the levels of 15,428. So therefore, I find that during the upcoming week, if the Nifty is not able to sustain above the levels of 15,128, we'll see the Nifty to take a sharp downward move from here. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.